Hey everyone, this is Dr. Kristen Hess. I'm going to use 3 column notes to talk to you about some math concepts today. Specifically, we want to talk about trend lines and using data from Excel and Pearson's MyMathLab problems. So first, what is a trend line? A trend line is an equation or a function that shows the general direction that points follow. It's not going to be a perfect fit most of the time, but it'll give you a general gist of where they go. So for example, perhaps you're given an exponential function that says find the best fit f of x for a function defined by the following table. So here's an example of that problem. Here's the data set. If you're using Pearson's, you'll click to copy the table and you're going to want to open it in Excel. So once we do that, we'll move over to Excel. So once we're in Excel, we're going to want to highlight our data. If you're using Windows, left click on the data and highlight it. Notice there's a green box around all the data. And once you have that, you're going to go to Insert. You're going to click on the scatter plot, and you want this chart right here with the dots. Once the chart shows up, if you're using Windows, you're going to right click on the dot and go to Add a Trend Line. This will pop up on the right, and in our problem it said you want an exponential trend line. So you'll pick your exponential trend line, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click to display the equation on the chart. You can also display the r-squared value. The r-squared value lets you know how good of a fit it is. Once you have that trend line, you can make it a little bigger to see what it is. But this is the trend line that is your answer. So y equals 1.3057e with that exponent to the x power. That is your trend line. And this r-squared value tells you how strong it is. We'll talk about the strength of r-squared in a different video. So in summary, you can find the trend line for any set of data in Excel by graphing the scatter plot. You want to click on one of the points on that graph and select the appropriate trend line, whether it be exponential or linear or quadratic. Once you've done that, then click the box that allows you to show the trend line. And you can also click to view the strength of the relationship by finding the r-squared. Here's an extension problem. So find the exponential trend line for the following data set. So here's some data for you to try. On the left are the x values, on the right are the y values. Pause the video, plug it into Excel and see if you can do it. I'll post the answer in just a minute. Once you're done pausing, then you can see if you can get it or not. So this is what you should have gotten in Excel. Feel free to ask me any questions if you need any help. Great to have you here.